This sprawling facility is a building materials factory owned by China Wuyi Company. The firm has been in Kenya for the last 15 years. In that time, it has won billions of dollars worth of tenders, including most of the major highways, malls, and office spaces. The Chinese ambassador to Kenya, Liu Xianfa, and Kenyan Cabinet Secretary for Transport and Infrastructure, James Wainaina Macharia, are here to inspect Wuyi's newly minted facility.
To help companies both of Kenya and Chinese origins to reduce costs of buildings, of bridges, and of other kind of construction projects. And I think it's good for Chinese companies, for Kenya companies. It's good to strengthen our cooperation.
We shall build so many houses for the next 5 years. The manifesto said 500 million houses, but we have enhanced that target. And now we are targeting 1 million houses over the next 5 years.
According to the World Bank, Kenya needs about 2 million low-income housing units. Building them would boost the country's economy. China Wuyi is capitalizing on this need. Their $100 million facility in Athi River manufactures, develops, produces, and displays prefabricated building materials.
You know that we use the factory to manufacture prefabricated building materials, so here we will be producing them in large amounts, then we can save cost. And when we save the cost of production, it also means that the construction costs are lower. Then the buyers or customers get a lower price for the house, so it's beneficial to everyone.
More and more Chinese firms are setting up in the country. They cite a stable foreign exchange rate as well as country image and higher literacy levels as part of the attraction. In Kajiado County, yet another Chinese firm has set up base. Twyford Tiles is almost a year old but already has a 70% market share. Their $80 million investment into this tile-making factory is already paying off. The company is a partnership between Sunder and Kada, both Chinese firms. Twyford Tiles has directly and indirectly employed 1,500 people.
I've been here for a little over a year, and it's been an amazing experience working with the managers from all over the world who have like world-class experience. So I find that quite interesting also.
They do their part to ensure that the factory does not damage the environment for the surrounding community.
We have the gas station, which has double treatment, which has very good environmental protection measures, and also like the solid waste or any liquid waste, we don't have any to dump outside. The wastewater is recycled. So all the water is when we use, we recycle, we recycle.
Both Wuyi and Twyford are shining examples of thriving Chinese investments in the country, a win-win collaboration that provides employment and technical expertise for the locals and a lucrative business environment for the investor. Alexandria, Majalla for CGTN.